This course bridges academic theories and real-world practices and allows the students to explore a wide range of career opportunities in financial services, consulting, and technology sectors.
This course is designed for all students from different disciplines who have a passion for roles in finance. Not only will we equip students with the right academic skills, but also the really important transferable skills, which will help them to secure impactful employment in the future.
We also have a flexible curriculum design, which allows the students to customize their educational experience to match their career aspirations and their academic background.
This course will help students to identify and really develop their own personal brand, but more than that, give them really important connections with employers and the worldwide alumni that we have here at the university.
I would really encourage you to apply. This course will truly enhance your employability and career prospects.